This is Bonfire Night 2014. Quite possibly the last video you'll ever see me make. Nice.
Yeah.
We can enjoy someone else's display. They are very good, actually. Hammering a Catherine wheel to the fence. Waiting for the hammer to fall. I don't think you're supposed to hit it all the way in, just so can it still spin?
Lie.
Well, the Catherine wheel is lit. This is what I mean! It's just firing red hot flames into the ground. You know when I said, can it still spin? Well, they're still nice. It's still, it's on fire a bit. I think we put this one in the floor wrong. See what I mean? I swear you put this one in the ground wrong, again.
Oi! Oh.
They're arcing a bit towards the house. Oh, they're setting them off over there now. The curtains are on fire! With the grace of a swan, she retreats. Oh. I put them down there because I felt like we were about to die. I felt as though if a parachuter had just jumped out of the plane and then thought, Christ, my parachute. It's never happened to me, but that's how I felt. Jesus Christ.
Okay, now.
This one's called a spinkle, but we don't know if it's supposed to say sprinkle. But it says spinkle. The fuse.
Oh fuck! I pulled it out.
Mum, can we stick?
Right.
You just ripped the fuse out of a firework and then just placed it back in. Right. When you say it'll be fine, that's when I don't trust that it actually will be fine. I'm really scared about this one.
Yeah, really scary. Fuck! I burnt this on.
Safety first.
Slag.
Ooh, you slag. Oh my god. Oh, Christ almighty. That was a bit close to the house, that one. Ooh.
Is that it?
Yes.
Oh!
This said bury halfway, it's like a box, and it said bury up to like there. We've just sort of put it on the grass, just, you know, see what'll happen. Ooh. 21 shot, it said. Oh my god, next door, are you alright?
Oops.
Christ. Is that 21? Oh, apparently not. They're not going as high as they should be. Oh my god. It's actually quite good, that one. This is the finale. This is called Solar. That's if we put it on the floor, that's how big it is. So you know the really big dangerous one that says bury to this line? Yeah, again, Mum's just sort of put it on the grass to see what'll happen. I'm retreating to a far distance with this one. Come on, focus, you fucker.